bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, 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 I've been up for a while. I've just been so tired and not in the spirit to do anything. I just fed my daughter. I made their breakfast and I slept late yesterday, like around 11:30. And the reason why was because I started late decorating. My lady that cleans my home, she didn't come in because she said she was sick, and I understand I have kids. I don't want her to come near my kids being sick. Though she said she wanted to come out like coughing, and I already have our share of the virus already, and I think I'm catching something too. But so I don't want any sick person coming close to my home right now. So I just took my time, clean the house myself, and I'm trying to just finish this, wrap this up on time. Yesterday I was able to put up the Christmas tree, I was able to put the garland on the shelf, I was able to decorate the shelf, just minimal decoration on my shelf for Christmas. So we are going to be doing the center table in the living space and also finish decorating my kitchen. My kitchen, I want a traditional kitchen, and I'm gonna be, so you're gonna see the changes from the bronze and black to the traditional kitchen. So it's just few things that there and there, but you will see what I mean by the changes. So I don't want this video to be long, so let's get into decorating my home. Apart from that, I still have the garland on the heart to do at the entryway. I also have the one for the stairways to do. That's gonna be in another video. I will show you guys what that looks like, but let's do this and let me close this video because I don't want this video to be long at all. And my voice, oh my god, just bear with me, but I need to push out something to you guys. So let me show you the outcome of this stuff that I made. I was trying to put it together like, oh, I'm not showing you guys what it looks like. So this is what the skirt and this is what the color looks like. This is going to be going under my Christmas tree. I'm just going to finish making that here, and I think I should finish it up on the Christmas tree and just crack. So I'm just gonna leave this place open so I can fix it on the Christmas tree. So let's start working.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did
Let me show you guys what it looks like right here. So let me just bring it down. So the skirt is in there, and if you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. So the skirt is in there. All right, here you guys can see, it looks so cute. I love it. So that's what it looks like in there, and I love it. It's so perfect for what I envision for the space. So let's move along and decorate our table here.
Candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Hey Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight. But his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight.
Hello, my beautiful festive Christmas people. It's your girl again, Laura Shitter, and this time I'm bringing you guys into my home to decorate my home for Christmas. Are you in the stage of getting your home prepared for Christmas? Are you going Christmas shopping? If that is you and you need like some Christmas deco ideas on how to style your place and what to get in store, how I decorate all the pieces I got in my Christmas haul in my home. If you want to see behind the scene what this place looks like right now, then grab a popcorn, get a cup warm coffee or a chocolate cup of cocoa and come with me, because you're gonna see how my place changed from the perfect sitting room decor to my garland. And let's go. Yay! I can't wait to show you guys what I did with this space. The space is so beautiful. Let's go.
And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
It's a jolly, jolly Christmas. Dee 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 dee. That is putting you on here. Say cheese, Babu. Say hi, Bubbles. Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas, Bubbles.
Merry Christmas.
Yay!